Traveling during the holidays can be a wonderful and exciting experience, filled with joy and anticipation. However, it can also be a bit overwhelming and stressful, especially if you're not adequately prepared. To ensure a smooth and hassle-free holiday travel experience, it's essential to keep a few things in mind. Whether you're planning to jet off to a tropical paradise, visit family and friends, or explore new destinations, here are some important tips and general knowledge that you should know. First and foremost, proper planning is key when it comes to holiday travel. Start by deciding on your destination and mapping out your itinerary. Consider the dates you plan to travel and whether they coincide with the busiest travel periods. Booking your flights, accommodations, and any other travel arrangements well in advance can help you secure the best deals and ensure availability. Once your plans are in place, make sure to do some research on your destination. Familiarize yourself with local customs, culture, and any specific holiday traditions that may affect your trip. Knowing what to expect can not only enhance your experience but also prevent any cultural mishaps or misunderstandings. When it comes to transportation, especially during the holiday season, it's essential to be prepared for potential delays and crowds. If you're flying, try to arrive at the airport early to allow for check-in, security procedures, and potential queues. Be aware of any airline restrictions regarding carry-on luggage, liquids, and prohibited items to avoid any last-minute hiccups. If you're driving, plan your route in advance and check for any road closures or construction along the way. Consider the weather conditions and pack accordingly. Allow for extra travel time, as holiday traffic can significantly increase travel duration. It's also crucial to ensure that your vehicle is in good working condition before embarking on your journey. Consider getting a maintenance checkup and pack an emergency kit with essentials like a spare tire, jumper cables, and roadside assistance contact information. In the case of public transportation, it's advisable to check for any schedule changes or disruptions. Some services may have reduced operating hours or altered routes during the holidays. It's always a good idea to have alternative transportation options available to avoid being left stranded. Packing wisely is another crucial aspect of holiday travel. Make a checklist of essentials, including clothing suitable for the climate of your destination, toiletries, medications, electronics, and any necessary travel documents. Having everything organized and ready to go can save you time and prevent last-minute panic. When it comes to holiday travel, being flexible and adaptable is key. Delays, cancellations, and crowded spaces can sometimes be unavoidable. Patience and a positive attitude can go a long way in making your journey more enjoyable. Keep in mind that everyone is likely heading somewhere to celebrate and spend time with loved ones, so kindness and understanding towards fellow travelers will make the experience more pleasant for everyone. Staying connected during your travels can be important, especially if you need to communicate any changes or stay updated on travel alerts. Ensure that your mobile phone is fully charged and consider carrying a backup charger or power bank. Familiarize yourself with the roaming charges and data plans offered by your service provider if you're traveling internationally. Safety should always be a top priority, regardless of whether you're traveling during the holidays or any other time of the year. Be cautious while navigating crowded spaces and keep an eye on your belongings. Avoid displaying valuable items openly and consider using a money belt or keeping important documents and cash in a secure place. It's also a good idea to register your travel plans with your embassy or consulate in case of any emergencies. Lastly, while holiday travel can be hectic, it's important to remember to enjoy the journey and embrace the holiday spirit. Take some time to relax, immerse yourself in the traditions and festivities of your destination, and create lasting memories. Whether you're surrounded by palm trees or snowflakes, traveling during the holidays can truly be a magical experience. In conclusion, traveling during the holidays requires careful planning and preparation to ensure a smooth and joyful experience. From booking your travel arrangements in advance to packing sensibly, being flexible, and staying connected, these tips and general knowledge can help prevent mishaps and make your holiday travel adventure stress-free. Remember to be patient, stay safe, and enjoy the journey. Happy travels!